everyone. My name is Grace Mckay, and I'm with Essential Software Solutions. And today I'm here with Maria. Maria, can you tell me a little bit about what you do and what your role with Infor is?
Sure. So I'm a product director on the CSI sideline product team. And really the primary role that I have is to bring all of the new feature functionality together into a roadmap. So 12 month, we have biannual deliveries. So we release every 6 months. And so really working with the stakeholders and the strategy teams to outline what that rollout looks like and then tracking the feature delivery through that process. So 12 months to a year and into the future is really what we're striving to give our users an an advanced outlook to where we're going this product.
So, very cool. How would you say that a product goes from a concept into a reality?
Yeah. So it usually starts with a brainstorm from a stakeholder, which could be typically a customer, sometimes maybe an industry strategist, and the product team. So myself and my team will work with the stakeholders to understand what those requirements are, and then we translate those requirements to our BA, our business analyst team, who then put those into story form to really understand the process flows and all the different, considerations that feature needs to hit through through its life cycle. And then once that's kind of drafted out, we take it back to the stakeholders to get approval, and then that goes to our development team. And I work with the development team again on kind of scoping and making sure that we're aligning with our releases and understanding where we can deliver it in the roadmap.
That's pretty interesting. How would you say that the customers have a role in which features are released? Do they play a part in any of this?
Absolutely. The customers are essential to us building that last mile functionality and really making this an industry specific product that makes sense for their business. We really encourage our customers to use the enhancement request system. So this is through our concierge portal, and they can go in, create a request, give us some insight as to how this fits their business, what they would like to see come through the solution. But then it's really essential that they work within their community to socialize it and get buy-in from other users so that we know that this will really be something that takes the solution to the next mile for a multitude of customers. So that is that's probably the best portal into the product team, where we review those on a regular basis. But we do work with our customers at different events, and obviously if something bubbles up for a major concern in speaking with customers, we'll consider that as well. But we do encourage customers to use that request system.
That's really good to know. Thanks. And I think the last question I have is, can you tell me a bit about the process of how you test these features before you release them out to customers?
Yep, absolutely. So our quality team is actually part of so if there's two buckets, there's new feature development where we're creating these new features and adding them to the roadmap. And then we have obviously just our existing testing process that we have to do for each monthly release. So for new features, we have a quality analyst involved in that, building out the use cases. And then each use case is actually translated to a test script. And the test script then is tested for each feature until there's no issue. And we would not release until, all tests come back clean. But then once the feature is tested, that will go into the build with all of the other rich feature functionality. And then we test it as a whole. And then that, of course, will have to go through very rigid testing in accordance to all of the 35 years plus of tests that we've accumulated over the years. We run all of those tests for each release and, make sure that any issues that come up are resolved before releasing.
Good. Well, thank you so much for answering all questions today. I appreciate it. On behalf of the team. Yeah. Thanks, you.
Yeah.